Hello, and welcome to the pet room. I'm going to put I had a little weird thing happen with this little clippy thing that I put the phone in. It kind of went a little squirrely, and the little thing that holds the phone the little thing that holds the phone went a little squirrely in that there's a little rod that is supposed to go right through, and it tried to slip off. Anyway, let's see if I can get this on here. I sometimes have trouble with this. It doesn't want to go as I would like it to go. Okay, so you may have noticed I have here another 4040, and there's a note inside that says it's pretty okay. It seems okay, but when I turn it on, all I get is a red light. This is strange, very strange. So, take it off the pile. At least I'm going to try to take it off the pile and have a look inside. It's funny, it has one of those little holder things. I know you can't see this. It has a little holder thing. But the last time I tried to use one of these holder things, oh, wait a second, there might actually be a place to put the holder thing. Does it work? Well, sort of it does. Imagine. Yeah. Let's see what I can do about this with great care. Okay. A little more care. I am not important to this. Okay, so there is the disk drive. So it is important when looking at such things to try, what does this say? I don't know. Anyway, to just quickly but accurately look things over. And I look up in the top board and I see that all the chips are there. And I look here and there, but there is one thing that seems to be missing. There is a cable that should go from here to here. And it's not here. And it's not here. So I will open up this other drive that I think I turned off. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I should turn it off. Okay, now it's off. Yeah, it's funny. As I look at this drive with this little arm, definitely the thing that's supposed to be there. Oh, oh no, is this really wrapped around? Oh, okay, hang on here. Okay, I'll get that leaning gently on the wall. There is tape on, oh, yeah, 45-year-old tape that's sticky as, anyway, it was stuck to the wires. Okay. Okay. Alright, so for whatever reason, and I don't know why, and I don't know how, this cable was missing. I don't remember getting it out. That went well. I think it's okay. I don't think I want to trust that little arm anymore. Ever again. Alright, so I've replaced the missing cable. And now I'll turn it on. And now I have a bunch of error lights. Well, this is strange because it said it seemed okay. Alright, I'm just going to lean that up there for a second. This is peculiar. But, you know, things sit around for a while. Let me take this off of here. Check that out. Make sure I actually got it on the right place. And it's all on. And this is also on properly. And the error light thing is on, or it was on. What have I done? Okay, I'll reset. Just wiggle some of these other cables. Shake things a little. And I will turn it on. Oh. And it came to life. This drive sounds a little noisy. Anyway, never underestimate the power of jiggling cables. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. I have stolen a cable from this drive. Okay. Oh, there's some screws missing from the back of this. Huh. No wonder it's a little wobbly. Oh, okay. There are tangs that need to go. Oh, I see. Okay. On the inside. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to put this back on the top of the pile. And get the PET to IEEE cable moved over. At least I think I will. Maybe I should screw it in. Oh. Now, let's see if we can gently tweak this. There's always a little bit of a lag in what you do here. I shouldn't look that bright, I don't think. maybe a little twist. You gotta be careful not to dislodge the phone and do a penny on it. There we go. Whereby, whoa, things things fall, and then the sound thing gets ruined. And you know what? I think I can tweak that a little bit more over this way. Okay, so I'm going to turn this drive on, and it makes the right noises, although it sounds a little noisy. I've asked it to do a catalog. Of course, there's no discs in it. So I will try again. All right, things are happening. But things are not happening. Oh, there's a directory. Heads are banging. That's why the head's bang. How long do you want? Reset the disk. I wonder if this drive is spinning. Yep, it's a spinning. Well, we'll try a little open 15, comma H, comma 15, comma, quote, I, 1, quote, colon, close 15. And it did seem to come up. But now it's not. Oh, there's something coming. It is fighting. Now remember, this drive has been asleep for a long time. It did come up. Let's just do a catalog. And when you do a catalog, it may go to the drive you want. No, it didn't. Okay. What do we have in here? We have this program that I have changed, or I modified, and I've saved. You know what I think I want to do? I want to put in, I want to clear the screen. I'm going to put a line 3, go to 10, $20. I'm going to change 24, or 25 to 24, and 25 I'm going to say go to 10. And I think this will just set this thing up to torture. It will never get to any headers, it'll never get to anything. Let's just set it up to torture. Okay. It is torturing it by initializing it over and 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 over. And it's telling me It's now done it 19 times, 20 times. That's interesting. Okay, it's still struggling a bit. But I think it still needs to just wake up for a bit. So I think I'm going to let this torture for a bit. I think. Oh, this thing is recording the wrong way. Damn. Oh well, I'll have to edit it and turn it. Anyway, so here's another drive. It seems to be up and running. I'm not going to try anything else on it. But when I first turned it on, it did nothing. And I found a missing cable. And it still was doing weird things. So I jiggled every single cable there was, and now it seems to be up and going. And then it didn't want to read, and it sounded funny, but now I'm just going to torture it for a while. And we'll see. But this is a 2040, undoubtedly upgraded to a 4040, as they all were, so it seems. Or, sorry, I'm sure there's some out there that were not. Anyway, so the pile is growing, and it will continue to grow. Once again, I'm still looking for a drive to take apart to look inside, but so far, I've not found such a thing. As you can see, the lights are going crazy. I'm going to leave this here to be tortured for a while longer, and I'm going to go look for more disk drives, more. Anyway, so just because something comes up immediately and doesn't work, have a look, have a look, have a look, have a look, have a look. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see what happens next. Bye for now.